Hello, companions and tutor. My name is Erlina Vanessa Jimenez Santa Maria. I am 24 years old. I am living in the Villavicencio city. I am a student of the English teacher in the UNAP University. I am on seven semester, and in this course I hope to improve my pronunciation. My pronunciation is so bad, um, and I practice for this video. For this video, I choose to the word with my parent, Jesus Carrillo. He answered the first and second question, and in an answer, he has been studying English for 18 years at different institutes. The third question is, what skill or abilities do you want to improve in this language course? He hopes to improve reading and listening. And the fourth question is, which production skill do you find the most difficult? He believes he should improve this reading. And the last question is, what would you propose to the Make English program video? He proposed the creation of the meetings in which all the skills are put into practice. Thank you.